Yes. So why do we need a reporting? Reporting is nothing but it is for the based upon the past experience and current current scenario, we will decide our future goals and objectives. Like, in your real-time scenario also, once you get the salary credited into account, but every first of every month, what you will decide, whatever the debts you have to clear, you will clear that. Whatever the EMIs you have to pay, you will pay it, and rest of the amount you will use it for your personal use and savings. Correct. So in the same way, here also in ServiceNow, what project manager thinks is how many in this quarter, how many tickets we got, how many P1s, P2s, P3, P4s we got. Based upon that, how to improve our business logics, how to improve our business process, so that P1, P2, P3, P4 will get reduced. That means here if I go, see, from the 1st January 2022, SBI project has been given to Accenture. Say for example, from 1st January 2022, SBI project has been given to Accenture. At that time, same. Okay. At that time, in the Q1 means January, February, March, they have got a P1s about 100, P2s 200, P3s 800, P4s 2000 tickets. Like this in the quarter, they first March, January, February, March. In the Q2, they got 130 ticket, 130 P1s, 250 P2s, 1100 P3s, 2500 P4. Like this, Q3 and Q4 is also increased. Now tell me, Accenture is providing a quality of services to SBI or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any other answers?
No,
P1 is increased.
it is increasing from Q1 to Q4, so it is not providing.
Guys, for Shruti, Pushpa, Shrikant, Sulbha, Swati, Vinay, Yaram Hariprasad, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me
Is
what
high
guys.
priority tickets
Is it
increasing?
Accenture is providing quality of services to SBI or not?
Not really.
So why? Because it is the number is increasing quarter by quarter. Correct? So that's the reason why in the second quarter, SBI management or IT head will give a warning to Accenture project manager saying that the number is increasing quarter to quarter. So it is a warning message for you saying, no, we will move out of your company to other company on this project. So then so Accenture has, even after warning also, Accenture has not performed well. So they have moved this project from Accenture. SBI has moved the project from Accenture to TCS. Say for example, TCS. Here it is a TCS. Okay. This TCS now quarter one, it is 250. Here, in the Accenture, it is 200, but in the TCS, it is 250. Why? Because TCS need to understand the entire infrastructure of SBI. Then they can start working on this, and they can improve the quality. So first quarter, SBI agrees to have some more numbers. So 250 they got, and after that 200, 150, 100. See, simple. If the ticket is raised, that means there is a issue in application. If there is an issue in the application, that means the team is not working properly. Simple. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason why every team, network team, database team, software team, hardware team, whatever the team may be, they have to provide the quality of service. Then the end customers will not raise the ticket. If the end customers is not raising, the end customer means employee. Is a 2 lakh employees are not raising any complaint on the IT infrastructure. That means everything is running smoothly. If everything is running smoothly, SBI will, end customers will not get affected. If end customers will not get affected, SBI revenue will improve a lot. Understand? So here, do you think TCS has performed well or not?
Yes,
Yes,
performed well.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the reason why. So how this project manager has calculated this? Because of reporting. Understand? So then how to pull the reports? So on the left side navigation pane, if you type reporting, and if you go to the bottom reports, view and run. Arey yaar, what happened? Hmm. Okay, this is the list of the existing reports, guys. This is the list of existing reports. If you want to create a new report, click on create a report. So here you can see report name. I want a report of the entire instance from last 1 year. From last 1 year, I want to see how the teams has performed. So what I'll do is incident report. From 6 months incident report, something like that. 6 months incident report. This is what I want. Source type is table, and from which table you wanted the report, guys? From the incident table. So I will type incident. So it will, if you click on next, it will move from data to type. Click on next. Okay. So you can pull the reports as bar charts, pies and donuts, time series. In any format, you can have the report. But for now, I will take bar type. And I will click on next. It will move from type to configure. So group by not active. I will want this group by assignment group. Assignment group. Okay. How many tickets I got? Additional group by, I can take it by priority. Huh? Right. So I will click on next thing. Next. Style, you can use whatever the color you want, you can do it. So incidents all. I want the last 6 months data, guys. So what I can do is I can click on this filter and add created date. When the created date is last 6 months. See? Months. Last 6 months data I want. This is my requirement. And I will run the report now. See, here you can see empty, no assignment group 79, network group 43, okay, 17 hardware, database 8, and soft service no application support 3, YONO application 1. Now you tell me, guys, which team has got large number of tickets?
Networking.
Network. So management will concentrate on network team now, and they will call the SBI management or project manager will call network team manager and ask what is the issue here. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is how they will do it. And I have done the additional priority also. If I select a priority, you can see based upon planning 5, critical tickets I got to 24, moderate tickets 15, low tickets 3. So I have to concentrate on critical tickets. Understand?
Yes.
So this is how you need to manage. So this is how you need to pull the reports based upon your requirement. If you want this report in the list view, simply in the type you can select the list view. See, where is the list? This is a list. Yeah. So list means if you select the list and run the report, you will get all the incident numbers. Like this assignment group empty. In the database, you have got eight numbers. See all the numbers you get. That is called list view. You know what is list view, right? So this is
Yes.
how you need to manage. And if you want the same thing in the donut kind of thing, yeah, donut kind of thing, you can run the report. See, this is how you need to manage.
So how can we download this?
Yeah, simple. Click on this breadcrumb and save as PG, whatever you
Yeah.
want. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
So here, when I run this report, I can save this record. I have saved this record. And now, if you go to report, so view and run. In this list view, you will get your newly created report. Yeah, who is that? Yeah, here you can click on 6 months. What is your name? I don't know, 6 months incident report. You can directly open this and run the report. And next, recreating the report is not a good thing. The understanding the options. Here you need to understand this share. If you click on share, visible to me, everyone, groups and users. If you select me, this report will be only visible to you. Only visible to you. If you click on everyone, it requires, if you put ITIL, this report will be visible to all the ITIL users. All the ITIL users. If you click on groups and users, if you add groups like hardware, only hardware members will be able to see your report. If you go to users, if you add multiple users like Santosh, Mahesh, Arun Kumar, and only those users will be able to see the report. Any confusion on this sharing, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then what do you mean by schedule? Schedule is nothing but in previous days when we have not introduced the sharing option, sorry, schedule option. What I used to do is, what I used to do is my shift completes at 8 o'clock. After that, I'll come to my home at 9 o'clock. Okay, but my manager used to ask me every day at 12 o'clock, I need to open my laptop again. I need to pull out the report and I have to send the report to him every midnight at 12 o'clock. So for a ServiceNow administrator, is that if it is a one-time activity or take a two-time activity or once in a month, twice in a month, it is okay. But if it is every day, ServiceNow administrator will be able to do it or not?
No.
No, right? So that's the reason why ServiceNow has given a good feature called schedule. That means if you want to run it a daily, you can put it daily and the time is 12 o'clock. And users means if you add some users here, okay, Arun Kumar and Bhargavi like this, ServiceNow system will automatically run the report at this time and pull the report and send to Arun Kumar and Bhargavi automatically. Understand? If you add
Yes.
a group like hardware, if I add hardware, ServiceNow system will send this report to hardware members automatically. Subject, you can write your 6 months report, right? 6 months report, 6 months incident report. Like this, you can write. Here you can add the message like high time please find the 6 months incident report like this. You can write whatever you want. And in which type you want. You want it in the PDF, PNG, whatever you want. You can select this one. Zip output. Zip output means in the 6 months records, if you have 2 lakh records in the Excel sheet. Okay. In the Excel sheet, if you have 2 lakh records, that will not be sent out via email. Correct? So if there are more than 10,000 records, ServiceNow system will automatically zip that file and send it to you over the email. That is called zip output. Include, which is nothing but if you want to include other report also in this table, in this email, you can select this. If you have any other scheduled reports are there, you can select that. That will get included in this file only. So both the reports will be sent in one email. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Page size. Page size is a letter A3, whatever you want, you can select page size. Okay. And omit if no records. Omit if no records are nothing but if today is Saturday and there are no tickets today raised. So no, if there are no report, no records, no need to send the report. Any confusion on this?
No, sir.
Yeah. That is called, yeah. That is called share. We have discussed the schedule. We have add to dashboard. Add to dashboard is nothing but higher management will be there like vice president, senior vice president like this. Every day they will not be able to open the reporting, click on view and open view report and come to type that report name and come to this. No, that is not possible every day. So what they will do is they will add this to their dashboard on the home page. So add to dashboard. Okay, I will show you what it is. Okay, ITL dashboard. Okay, ITL dashboard. Add it. If I click on add it every day, what they will do is they will directly go to dashboard. Okay, every day they will go to dashboards. Self-service dashboards. Directly. Okay. See ITL dashboard. They'll click on ITL dashboard and they'll be able to see 6 months report every day. So every day they will put like this and hardware okay. So how many tickets are there like this? They will take a overview. See, if there are empty 79 means nobody is working on the ticket. And they will ask why 79 tickets are there with not assigned to anybody. Why? They will ask why. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So every day they don't need to go to reporting mode, you enter no type the no, they don't need to go like that. They can have the report like this.
If we click on that particular color, will the list of tickets be shown for empty?
I didn't understand what you're saying.
For a particular, say we have 79 tickets unassigned. For that blue color, if we click on that on the bar.
Yes, yes. If you double click on this, you will be routed to that 79.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Right. Now I'm again going back to the same point. Okay, I'll have to go directly to reports. I will go to reports now. View and run 6 months reports. 6 months. Okay, 6 months incident report. So we have discussed how to add it to dashboard. How to add it to that. Export to a PDF. If you want directly, no, I don't want to do it anything. I want it right now. I have to export it to PDF. Yes, you can export it to PDF like this and send that file to anybody wherever you want. So download it. Open it.
These reports can be created only by administrators or the end users also.
Yeah, very good question. This is what I want. Actually, if you provide, there are in the reporting, if you go to roles part, if you go to roles part, user administration roles. So if you type a report here, there are 4 to 5 report, 4 to 5 see report admin is there. Okay. report scheduler is there, report publisher is there, report user is there. If you are a report user, that means you will be able to see, can create and view reports that have been shared with them. That means if you are Lakshmi, if I share the report with Lakshmi, Lakshmi should have report underscore user role. Then only Lakshmi will be able to view that report. Understand?
Yes.
But but Lakshmi cannot share, edit, or delete the reports.
Mhm.
Got it, guys? This is how you need to understand. You can read these definitions and can manage reports that are shared with everyone listed in global. Okay. Report admins can manage, share, publish, schedule. This report admin means he is the top. Whoever is having this report underscore admin, they can create the report, can publish the report, they can schedule the reports, anything. Because every time, see, if it is SBI is a big infrastructure, so for that there will be at least 500 managers will be there. Every day 500 managers will come to ServiceNow administrator and ask them about to create a report. No, it is not possible. So what we will do is ServiceNow administrator will train all these the 500 managers at a time, or ServiceNow administrator will create a video on reporting and he will share that video with all the 500 managers. They will go through with that video on reporting, and then they will create their own reports on their own. Understand? And as a ServiceNow administrator, whoever wants to create a report based upon the approvals, we will provide them report underscore admin, so that they will be able to create their own applications, own reports, and publish them and share them with other stakeholders. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whoever is having report underscore published role, they'll be able to publish it. Whoever is having report underscore scheduler role, they'll be able to schedule the report. Okay?
Yeah.
Good question. So here, if you go to report, again, we went run. Six-months report. Okay. Now again, so you have understand share, schedule, add to dashboard, export to PDF. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Now, if you click on this delete button, entire report will get deleted, and save. Insert, insert and stay, save as data source. Insert means if you click on insert, see, I want to do it for only hardware, guys. I want this report only for hardware team. So hardware team manager has come to ServiceNow administrator, uh, and then he asked for the report. Now ServiceNow administrator has to create a report for him. What he will do? So he will go to data, type, configure, everything he will do. But he want report only for, so group by assigned to, additional group by is not there. He don't want as we want only as priority. Additional group by is priority. Only for hardware group. Say for example. So created on last 6 months, that is fine. And the other criteria is assignment group is hardware. Hardware. Now run the report. See, this is on the hardware team, critical ticket and planning. Only 11 plus 6, 17 tickets are there total. Understand? So this is the ticket. Now what he can do is, he has modified the change. Here the 6 months incident report for hardware group. Okay. Now if he clicks on insert, see your ServiceNow system will create a record on top of 6 months incident report. See the ServiceNow system will create other report, hardware group, 6 months incident report for hardware group on top of it. So I will click on insert. If you click on insert, it will move back to list view. See, now if you type in 6 months, you will get 2 reports. You are not replacing it. No. See, you will get 2 groups, 2 reports. If you open this, now somebody has come by looking at this hardware group, network manager has come to, and he is also asking for the same kind of report. Now ServiceNow administrator, instead of adding all these values, he will just change this to network group, and he will change the group from hardware to network. Okay, and run the report. See, this is for network team. Okay, now what he will do? He will click on again. Insert means it will move back to list view. Insert and stay means it will create a new report, but still it will stay back on the same page. Insert and stay. So now it has created one report. If you go to this and click on reports, view and run, you will have, if I type 6 months, how many records you will have, guys? 6 months. Now see 3 records, 3 reports are. Understand what is the importance of insert and stay? Insert means it will create icon, insert and stay. It will create a new one and stay back on the same page. Clear?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what do you mean by save as data source? Save as data source, if I click on save as data source, if you are sending this one, see if I put remedy, I will put remedy here. Okay, I will save this record, submit. Okay, so if you go to data sources, and, I have to go to data sources. Okay, I'll show you later, guys. So data source is nothing but if you want to send this report to other third-party tools when you are doing integration, this data sources will be used. Because we have not discussed about import sets and all, right? So that's the reason you are not be able to understand. I will discuss with you when we discuss about integration, this data source. Please make a note of it, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about reporting pathways. So now you can ask me if you have any questions. Yes. Devi, Dilip, Mansoor Ali, Mauni Allah, Prashanti, Pushpaja, Shruti. Any questions, anybody?
No, sir.
See you tomorrow, same time at 8 o'clock, guys. Bye-bye. I'll
Thank
share
you.
this video with you in some time. Okay, one more thing. Hold on a second. So to how many groups I have to share this video, guys? Tell me. Fast, for you. Tell me your group name. That's it. I have Pratibha group already existing.
7 to 8. Dilip.
7 to 8 Dilip batch.
7 to 8.
Dilip batch.
Okay, next.
So 25th.
Snow May 25th batch.
No, May 25th batch. Next.
Servicenow June batch.
Servicenow June batch. Next. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 groups I have to send. Okay, send. I'll send you by 10 o'clock. Okay, I'll send you by 10 o'clock, guys. Please practice it and come back tomorrow with your questions, guys. It is